Ah,
Okay, let's open this up. We can
fuck.
copy and paste our player, or we can just create it here. I'm gonna opt for just creating it so that I can explain as we go each thing, but I am gonna try and go quick over some of it. So the class name is gonna be enemy, and it should extend to character body 2D. Okay, go ahead and save that so it updates. Now, one thing that I know we're going to need is we're going to need some signals.
Oh,
We've got the
thank
direction
God I took a fucking
changed
screenshot of the
signal,
time.
much like our player, and this will emit a new direction, which will be a vector 2.
650. Motherfucker,
Okay.
dude.
And then we also want a signal called enemy damaged.
Wait a minute. Slime, shadow spray 2D. Yep, no, this is entirely different. I need to go back.
Now, one thing that I know we're going to need is we're going to need some signals. We've got the direction changed signal, much like our player, and this will emit a new direction, which will be a vector 2.
Script. Okay, so
And I'm going to just call this one a create new script, and I'm going to just call this one enemy. Okay, let's open this up. We could copy and paste our player. Or we can just create it here. I'm going to opt for just creating it so that I can explain as we go each thing, but I am going to try and go quick over some of it. So the class name is going to be
how'd you do that
enemy.
shit so fucking fast?
You can just create it.
Connect that bitch.
Let's open this up.
Oh,
We
you
could
did.
copy and
You did.
paste our player, or we can just create it here. I'm going to opt for just creating it so that I can explain as we go each thing, but I am going to try and go quick over some of it. So the class name is going to be enemy, and it should extend to character body 2D. Okay, go ahead and save that so it updates. Now, one thing that I know we're going to need is we're going to need some signals. We've got the direction changed signal, much like our player, and this will emit a new direction, which will be a vector 2. Okay, and then we also want a signal called enemy damaged. And I think we'll want to add parameters to this signal later, but for right now, we just want the signal to exist. Now, we had a constant in our player for the direction types, so I'm just going to copy and paste that in there. Our D4, dir4, we need that here. And then let's add an export variable. We only need one to start, and we're actually not going to use.
Let's just pull this from the fucking player, bro. That way I'm not fucking taking 10 years. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, let's think. Close other tabs. Beautiful.
Use this a whole lot today, but we'll set it up. So we're going to give them an HP value. I'll make it an integer, could be a float, you know, depending on how you want to track those. So that will appear in our inspector. And let's just go ahead and save and drag this onto our slime. So you'll see what I mean. There's the HP. By default, it'll be 3. So obviously you can set that to 1 or 0, or, well, I guess if you set it to 0, he would be dead on spawn. So maybe don't do 0. Now we need a few other things, and let me paste these in here. We need our cardinal direction. Just like our player, as well as regular direction. We're also going to store a reference to our player so that the enemy will have that.
Oh shit, this dude fucking Oh no, he just fucking copied and pasted. Oh fuck. You got that cardinal direction. Dog, what the fuck? No, that should be enemy. Cause that's probably gonna be enemy, var, and vulnerable. Oh shit, so it's probably like when you hit it and shit. Fuck.
Needed. We will use this minimally, and there might be better ways to do this, but
Yo,
I'm gonna plug that in there for now.
And
then a boolean to say if they're invulnerable or not. And
No.
these items might not come into play too much right now for the walk and wander, or the idle and wander states, but I know we're gonna need them in the future. So go ahead and put them in there. And then we just need some on-ready variables, and they'll look like this. We need an animation player.
There's no fucking bro.
Reference, a sprite.
Oh, bro, what the fuck are you copying? Oh, he copying the fucking player shit.
Need
Hold on.
some on-ready variables, and
where are you fucking pulling this shit from, your ass? What the fuck? Alright, I don't fucking have the hitbox one here. And he fucking swapped the fucking hitbox and her box too, bro. Shit got me fucked up. Fucking breaking my ankles and shit, bro. God damn, it's only episode 9. Oh, bitch. You better find that fucking shit. Oh my god. Well, hold on.
Look like this. We need an animation player reference,
Dog,
a sprite
how
reference.
You about to fucking pop that in, man. Okay, no. So if even that happens, then that one is gonna. Alright, so how the fuck did the player do that shit? There is no fucking reference to the hitbox. So how the fuck did that shit work?
Hitbox, we need variable features, so go ahead and put them in there. And then we just need some on-ready variables, and they'll look like this. We need an animation player reference, a sprite reference, hitbox reference. Let's see, we don't have a hitbox yet, so let me comment that out. And we don't have a state machine yet, so I'll comment that out. And as soon as we add these, we can begin integrating them into our code. We'll go ahead and leave process alone right now. We want to hook into the physics process. So let's go ahead and put that in there. I'm going to put an underscore on delta because we may not use it. But for now, we'll just do like we do in our player, and we'll just call move and slide right here in our physics process. And then similar to our player, we'll be setting a direction and calculating a movement outside of the physics process. Now we had a set direction function in our player, and we need the same function here, and it's going to function identically, I think. So you may be able to copy and paste that, or you can just take mine. But just as a review, this function, we're going to...
Dude, I'm not going to be able to... Actually, let me just hear this.
To take in a new direction, which actually I think that's different, right? Because what did we do in our player? Let's just reference that real quick. If I look at the player scripts...
Oh, man,
yeah.
15-minute mark, bro. I'm done. I'm fucking done.